All right, y'all. We back here at the Ghetto Gourmet Kitchen, and we got some cabbage going on with some bell peppers. Yes, we got those red bell peppers, some green, and some yellow bell peppers, and it is cooking up with this cabbage. Oh my gosh, it's going to be absolutely delicious, along with some asparagus. Yes, and I like my asparagus a little bit. Oh, a little crunchy over here. So yes, remember we are always only cooking with what? Our virgin, extra virgin olive oil. Yes, that is the only thing we are cooking with. And our seasonings are very mild because remember we are on a low sodium diet as well. So this is the garlic and herb season, and it has sodium.
Where are you cooking up?
0. Can you see that, y'all? Trying to make sure y'all can see that. There's 0 sodium in that. So this is absolutely some good seasoning if you are trying to watch your sodium intake. And of course we got some onion powder here. And as you know, most powders, there are 0% sodium in that too. And I got some dill, and I have some basil. And if you're wondering why some of my seasonings are in packages, and that's because I go to what we call the herb vault. I have a herb vault here in my city, and that's where I go to get all my fresh herbs. So yes, that's why some of my herbs are in these plastic bags like this. So again, this is some dill and some basil that I'm going to add to that, along with the other 2 seasonings. And that's all we're going to be using as far as our seasoning, y'all. So we're going to come back and let you know how it is coming out and what it looks like. So again, this is going to be hubby's lunch for work tonight. All right, y'all, we'll be back. Health is wealth.